Good afternoon. My name is Kristen Kilcollins, and I work for the Federal Commission for Protection Against Sanitary Risks out of northern Mexico. I would like to speak to you today about malaria prevention. Malaria is caused by the Plasmodium parasite, which can infect mosquitoes. Transmission can occur when an individual is bitten by an infected mosquito. Blood transfusions and organ transplants can also transmit malaria if the donor is infected. Sharing needles and syringes that could come into contact with blood of an individual that has malaria can also cause transmission as well. Mother to fetus transmission can also occur before or during childbirth. So what can you do to prevent malaria? You can wear long-sleeved shirts and long pants during the evening hours as well as during the nighttime when you are outside, which will help prevent any mosquito bites. You can use insect repellent, which will also help to repel any insects, whether it's mosquitoes, ticks, anything like that. You can spray your homes with indoor residual sprays, which will help to minimize the amount of mosquitoes and other pests that are in your homes. You can sleep with insecticide-treated bed nets, which will help to prevent some mosquito bites throughout the evening and during the night hours when you're sleeping. And you can avoid keeping uncovered water in and around your homes. Stagnant water or water that's sitting that has no movement is ideal for mosquitoes to breed. So what are we doing to help? We are doing vector control by spraying of areas with insecticide, and we're working within our communities to help provide insect repellents and bed nets to communities that don't have access to a lot of resources. We're also building and maintaining water sanitation areas in the hope that this will reduce any freestanding groundwater that could become an ideal breeding ground for mosquitoes. We're also helping to minimize areas of poor sanitation, so sewage or other areas of freestanding water that could also become potential breeding areas. Any additional information can be found on the Federal Commission for Protection Against Sanitary Risk, or COFEPRIS. I'd like to thank you for your time and hope that this will better prepare you to prevent malaria for you and your family.